Alright, that's the Santa Monica Pier right there. That's the beach. And the car literally dropped me off over there. Right there. Roll up the window by itself. Peace. Until next time. See that? Oh, it's 20 minutes. We got here safe. I trust that technology, huh? I trust it. I trust it. That was actually super nice, super cool. Let's get to the pier. I'm gonna walk down to the, that's the pier right there. It's beautiful out here. City of Santa Monica. Pretty nice out here, especially around sunset. This is the best time to actually come to the beach. They have a police station over there. This is actually the best time to come out here. Let me show you. You can buy a hut. You get the cops. See. Santa Monica Pier. World famous Santa Monica Pier. We get the cops car over here. Santa Monica police. We saw them when I was driving the self-driving car. This is the police station with the American flag. Let me show you guys the beach. It's actually packed. It's not even a weekend today. And they have an arcade here somewhere over here. Let me show you guys the beach. The beach is actually, I mean these beaches I wouldn't recommend to swim here. It's just nasty though. I wouldn't recommend to swim over here. What's going on over here? So this is the famous Route 66. They got a burger place here. Let me show you guys the. You can play games, by the way. You get souvenirs. You get a ton of that. You get people selling stuff. There's an arcade over here. Yeah. Let me show you again. There's an arcade. They got a photo booth and yeah, they got an arcade. You can come here and play games. Check it out. I think they have you can play pool, you can play all sorts of games. It's a big one. I don't know if they have the pool tables. They don't have pool tables, but the price are massive. They get a one. If they have pool, anyways, it's an arcade. You guys can check. They have Batman. They have all these right on top of the pier. It's a fun place. Let's get a shot of the beach before the camera dies. The sun is bright over here. And the beach is packed. I wouldn't recommend for you guys to come and swim here. It's nasty. It's full of bacteria and stuff like that. They literally see people literally defecate in the water right there. If you want to come to swim, go further near Malibu or like Will Rogers. I wouldn't recommend to. Come and get some drone shots because I forget the extra batteries on the GoPro. This is Santa Monica right there. I'm on top of the pier. It's pretty lit. Dude, it's selling what? I don't even know. Pier burger. You can sit here, enjoy the. It's not that packed actually, but you can see. Anyways, let's walk through this one. This is the Pacific Park where they have these rides and games. Let's do it before they dies. They got another smash burger place over here. Let's get a shot of this. Pacific Pier. Pacific Pier. It's gonna be a good video. I hope so. I'm gonna keep on posting. I make these videos for souvenirs. And if they end up making me money, well, it's nice. It's gonna be nice. I have ice cream place in 66. They sell shoes over there. You can play different games to win prizes. And this is the... and they have this. Oh, that's fun. So this is the famous Pacific Park wheel. That's pretty fun, huh? Let's get a shot of it from here. Hell yeah, they got a photo booth here too. It's a massive wheel. This is the Ferris wheel. And this is the thing right here. We're gonna feel super busy after doing this. Oh, they have this one too. This one. It lifts you up. And they have this. This is a plan. That's a plan. They have this one. The battery is about to die, so I need to leave. You can get pictures over here. Souvenir pictures. Let's go this way. Let's go this way, and then I'm gonna fly there. Check out this one though. The end of the pier right there. So they're over there, they have a lifeguard kind of like tower and stuff, and they have a restaurant like that. Your boys out here. That was a fun day with the self-driving car, and I end up here by the water. What else can you ask for? Look at that thing going up. Let's get a shot of the other side. Do the same, whatever. Let's see what they have here.
Oh, yeah. See Miles' sunglass, yeah.
It's a beautiful afternoon out here, folks. Even if I drop this, it's gonna be waterproof. So you can swim with this. You can literally go snorkeling with this camera. Look at the bird. Should I fly the drone? That's it. Let's see. You can come and sit here. Yeah. You can stand here and sit here. Cool. There you go. I think I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna get some drone shot and that's it. Do this drawing, it can draw you. Absolutely beautiful. I think I'm gonna stop it because the battery's about to die. I'm gonna fly the drone and that's it. It was a fun afternoon for me. The wheel is spinning. You can actually fish here. That's the Santa Monica Pier to you guys. I think it closed at 10. I'm not too sure. Like, I think it closed at 10. It's fishing over here. You can actually fish at any public pier for free. Any public pier here, Malibu one, Santa Monica one, you can fish for free. I think that's it. Let me show you guys the other side and that's it. That's the end. That is sick. Let me get a drone shot and that's it. So yeah, they do this fishing.